Hi there team, welcome to today's episode of Tony's Daily Bread. We're doing 7 different breads from 7 different countries over 7 days. And today we are doing Mexican bread rolls. Today we're in Mexico. This bread is also known as pan francais, the French baguette. It became known as the Bolillo. Improve them until double in size. Now we roll into baguette-shaped rolls. Cut an incision across the rolls. Sprinkle with cold water. Place in the oven on 250 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Remove from the oven. Rest for 15 minutes. Break a roll and dig in. Delicious, served with unsalted butter and jam for breakfast. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for daily updates.